Welcome to this session by Shaheen Group of Institutions. नीट के एग्जाम में अब कुछ दिन बचे हैं, अराउंड 10 डेज। उन 10 डेज में कैसे प्रिपेयर करना है और इन 10 डेज में कैसे बिहेव करना है, इन 10 डेज में कैसे अपने आप को मोटिवेटेड और बैलेंस्ड रखना है, आज हम लोग ये डिस्कस करेंगे। टू टेल यू अबाउट टिप्स, strategies and techniques for NEET exam, especially with regard to last 10 days, we have with us Mr. Nadeem Qadri. Mr. Nadeem Qadri is HOD of Biology at Shaheen Group of Institutions, Bidar. He is an extremely popular teacher who loves guiding and motivating students.
तू शाही है, परवाज है काम तेरा, तेरे सामने आसमां और भी है। शाही निहायत बुलंदियों पर परवाज करने वाला एक परिंदा है। अल्लामा इकबाल नौजवानों से मुखातिब होते हुए कहते हैं कि तुम्हें शाही जैसा होना चाहिए, जो मुसलसल परवाज करता रहता है बुलंदियों पर, थक कर बैठता नहीं। ठीक वैसे आप भी जो है अपनी जिंदगियों में जद्दोजहद करते रहना है। अल्लामा इकबाल के इसी ड्रीम को लेकर डॉक्टर अब्दुल खदीर साहब ने शाहीन कॉलेज का आगाज किया। आई वेलकम ऑल ऑफ यू टू द वर्ल्ड ऑफ शाहीन ग्रुप ऑफ इंस्टीट्यूशंस। शाहीन कॉलेज इज नोन फॉर academic excellence, which is touching the lives of more than 20,000 students. So dear students and parents, in today's session we are going to discuss about how to prepare for NEET exam and how to do well performance in NEET preparation and how to excel the NEET exam to get good rank and to get good marks. Let's see students, first slide here, how to study from NCERT books. First of all, while we referring the most important book for preparation of NEET, whether it may be a physics, chemistry or biology subject, the most important is selection of the material, and out of all the books the most important book which is available is NCERT book. So while referring any chapter from NCERT book, first define underlined terms. Underlined terms you have to say the things you are underlining while reading the NCERT book, the things that you are not understanding, those lines should be highlighted by using highlighter, using different colors, or you can underline by with a pen, right? So after underlining the terms, you have to go through those lines, you have to discuss with your friend circle and then approach to your teachers. If you are not understanding the things in first round, then you can go to the teacher and you can ask the doubts. And the second most important thing is explain through diagrams. What is this explain through diagrams? So in NCERT book there are several hundreds of diagrams are there altogether, PCB, and each and every diagram is having some concept. So diagram means from our school days, diagrams means what we do, we practice the diagram, we practice the labelings. But here explain through diagrams means you should understand the concept of the diagram, what is written below the diagram, what says about each labeling of the diagram. So that is called explain through diagram. Most of the time in NEET exam and competitive exams, theoretical questions will be originated from the diagram, and many students find difficulty in solving such questions. Okay. Now coming to the third point, generate questions. So after reading each paragraph from the NCERT book, ask questions yourself. You ask yourself some questions and you have to generate your own questions. You should understand the terminology, you should understand the brain of the examiner who is setting the question paper. What type of questions can be framed from that paragraph, particular paragraph, you should think about that. You should create your own questions. Then only you can understand the examiner's mind. After that, Discuss the topic with your friends. After understanding, after asking questions yourself, then go to the friend circle in your break time or in your study hours. You can ask that topic, you can discuss that topic with your friends. If you share your knowledge, then your knowledge improves. And when you discuss with your friend, what happens, you know, short term memory converted into long term memory. So whenever you read a concept, when you read a new thing for the first time, it will be in subconscious part of your brain. When you discuss with your friend circle, when you bring that topic into the discussion, the short term memory converted into long term memory. Let's say, what are the opportunities? All students all over India, they are having some opportunities. What are those opportunities? Number one, time management. We are having time management. We are all having 24 hours. How we are using it, right? There are some students who are having different priorities in their life. They give more preference to, some students they give more preference to studies, some students give maybe giving more preference to sports. So in your life, suppose you are preparing for competitive exam, national level exams like NEET. So most important thing is time management, and you should have all your priorities for studies. Per day, at least you require, initially it require 10 hours of study, later on it require 14 hours of study. That is required, students, okay. After time management, students, the next thing is course management. What is mean by course management? So you should give time for each and every topic. You know, PCB, physics, chemistry, biology together, 97 chapters are there. And you should give time for all the 97 chapters. The 2 years period, 11th and 12th, you are going to prepare 97 chapters. So that's why don't run for a single topic for a long period of time. एक ही टॉपिक के पीछे आप नहीं जाना है 1 month, 2 months. Some students, they waste time. They spend much time in only one particular topic. So we have to give equal time for all the topics. Of course, there are some chapters which are having more marks, which carries more weightage in the NEET exam. So definitely you need more practicing questions from that chapter, but you have to give equal time for all the topics. Okay. Then the third thing is books management. What is mean by books management? See, in market we are having hundreds of authors books. The most preferable book for preparing competitive exams like NEET exam requires NCERT book. The most important is NCERT book, and after NCERT you can go through our college material. Shaheen modules are there. Shaheen modules are prepared by our expert teachers, and all the books whatever written the module, they are exam oriented, NCERT based questions are there. So after reading NCERT book, you should practice questions from our Shaheen modules. After this, you require self management. What is self management? You should be very happy. So happiness brings more confidence, and you can get confidence, happiness only after understanding the concept. So here in Shaheen College, we are clearing the doubts of each and every student. So that's why all the students are very happy here and they enjoy with the subject. Now let's see, students, things to remember. What are the things to be remembered while preparation of the NEET exam? Number one thing is do all the subjects on regular basis. You have to read all the subjects, right? So you should divide the time. Early morning hour, you should preferably read some conceptual topics, some concept based subject. Harder topic you can read early morning hours. Then in college timing, wherever you get self study hours, in that time also you have to read one subject, evening hours and night hours. Remember students, all the students after attending the college, they are getting time like this. Early morning you are having time for studies. In college, study hours time, evening time and night time. So you have to read all the three subjects PCB with equal preference for all the three subjects. Okay. Then some subjects like biology, they require multiple readings. Multiple readings means revising the things, because maximum things in biology, they are memorized topics are there, memory based topics are there, some examples are there, and those examples have to be revised again and again. Then only you can remember the biology for a long period of time. Multiple reading is required for biology. Even in chemistry also you require revision for memory based things, like in inorganic chemistry many things you have to remember, and for that memory based subject require many time revision. Even in physics also you have to revise many times formulae, okay, like that. And the most important, one more important thing is highlight the important things. Whenever you are referring class notes or NCERT books, wherever you are getting not understood lines or easily understood but easily forgettable points, there are two things to be highlighted, very important. Number one is not understood lines. जो आपको नहीं समझने आ रहा है उसको अंडरलाइन कीजिए, और दूसरी चीज जो समझने तो आ गया है लेकिन बहुत मुश्किल है उसको याद रखना, इजीली फॉरगेटेबल है, उसको भी हाईलाइट करके रखना है, सो दैट बिफोर एग्जाम you can recall the things on correct time. And remember students, pencil is considered as AK-47 of a student. ऐसा क्यों बोला गया? क्योंकि पेंसिल जब आप हाथ में पकड़ेंगे, रफ पेपर पे प्रैक्टिस करेंगे, तब आपके जो भी मेमोरी बेस्ड थिंग्स हैं, कॉन्सेप्चुअल थिंग्स हैं, आपके ब्रेन में रहेंगी, रिटेन रहेंगी फॉर ए लॉन्ग पीरियड ऑफ टाइम. प्रैक्टिसिंग ऑन रफ पेपर, जितना आप ज़्यादा रफ पेपर पे प्रैक्टिस करेंगे एग्जाम में उतने ही ज़्यादा मार्क्स बढ़ेंगे. इट्स नॉट लाइक ए मूवी, वॉचिंग ए होल मूवी एंड रिमेंबरिंग द थिंग्स. इट इज़ नॉट लाइक दैट. यू रिक्वायर प्रैक्टिसिंग, राइट. रफ पेपर पे आप कंटिन्यूसली कॉन्स्टेंटली प्रैक्टिस करते रहना है. एंड वन मोर इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज डू MCQs ऑन रेगुलर बेसिस. आफ्टर एवरी चैप्टर व्हेन यू अटेंड द क्लास, टेक द नोट्स. After class notes, go through the NCERT book, and after NCERT book you have to practice at least 100 questions per chapter. At least 100 question हम हर chapter में करना चाहिए, and those questions should cover all the concepts. सारे concepts cover होना चाहिए एक topic में, जितने भी concept हैं. Spend more time on weak topics. Say all we are having some weakness. सब अपने अपने weakness रखते हैं. So you have to identify your weakness and you have to give more time to your weakness so that those weakness becomes your strength. You must have noticed that in NCERT book every page is having some margin. What is the purpose of that margin? NCERT book में अगर आप देखेंगे right side एक margin है and it has a purpose. What is the purpose of those margins? उन मार्जिन्स में आप जो है अपने जो वीकनेस हैं, वीक पॉइंट हैं, वो एरिया को लिख सकते हैं. वट एवर सर इज एक्सप्लेनिंग यू, द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन, ए कॉन्सेप्चुअल क्वेश्चन और सम डेट, सम एग्जाम्पल, दोज थिंग्स आर टू बी रिटन ऑन द मार्जिन ऑफ NCERT book. And after every concept you have to summarize the things. And how to summarize the things? You can make the flow chart. Flow chart is most important in understanding the concepts, to retain the things for a long period of time. You have to read NCERT paragraph with 100% attention. After understanding the paragraph, create your questions, generate the question, think about that questions, and after discussing with yourself, with your friends, if you do 100 questions per chapter, it is more than sufficient to get a single digit rank. follow the guidance of teacher, because teacher knows which topics are more important. टीचर को पता है, टीचर इज मोस्ट एक्सपीरियंस्ड इन शाहीन. इंडिया के बेस्ट टीचर्स हैं, they are expert in their subject. So you should trust your teacher and trust your material to get a good rank. सबसे पहले आप अपने टीचर पे ट्रस्ट करना चाहिए, अपने स्टडी मटेरियल पे ट्रस्ट करना चाहिए, एंड compulsory you have to follow the classroom notes. Whatever hundreds of books you are having in your library, the most important thing is classroom notes. क्योंकि classroom notes में in a better way, understandable way में लिखे होते हैं चीज़ें. And many times teacher gives mnemonic short tricks, so those things can be available only in your class notes. That's why you should trust your class notes, you should trust your teacher. Students, आप ये चीज नोट कर सकते हैं. This is the flow chart which shows what are the things you have to do step by step. Number one thing, class notes करना है. After class notes NCERT book करना है. After NCERT book 100 MCQ लगाना है. Only after solving the MCQ you will get the confidence. MCQ करने के बाद ही आपको कॉन्फिडेंस आएगा. एंड रिमेंबर स्टूडेंट, ईच एमसीक्यू क्वेश्चन इज 4 क्वेश्चंस. वो कैसे? हर एक ऑप्शन एक क्वेश्चन है. सो यू हैव टू थिंक अबाउट ईच एंड एवरी ऑप्शन. सो डोंट ओनली सर्च योर राइट आंसर, थिंक अबाउट रॉन्ग आंसर्स आल्सो. नाउ हाउ टू प्रैक्टिस द एमसीक्यू? which study material to be used for MCQ? Number one thing is Shaheen modules. As I told earlier also, Shaheen modules are exam oriented. They are prepared by the experienced faculties of Shaheen, and here after that you can go with the NCERT at your fingertips. This is also a better book. And the most important section is previous year questions. Previous year questions, if you solve, you can understand the examiner's mind, what type of question they are framing and how to prepare and what should be the level of your preparation. You will understand this only after going through previous year questions. See, each and all the subjects are having 2 important sections. One is factual thing, one is conceptual thing. हर सब्जेक्ट में एक फैक्चुअल है और एक कॉन्सेप्चुअल है. Factual things are like examples, like dates, like some scientist names. So those are factual things. You have to write those factual things. You have to make short notes of that. And conceptual things understand करने के लिए आप flow chart का help कर सकते हैं. Flow chart help कर सकता है आपको. Your friends help कर सकते हैं. You can discuss the things, or if the concept is very difficult, not getting the things easily, then you can approach your teacher easily and you can discuss your doubt with him. Shaheen is best college for your children because of best teaching, best environment, best mentoring, and above all the moral support which make them not only world's best doctors but also a good human being. Thank you.
Thank you Nadeem sir for guiding us and for motivating us. उम्मीद करता हूं कि नदीम सर ने जो हमें बताया है आप उससे बेनिफिट लेंगे, मेहनत करेंगे, नीट को क्रैक करेंगे और अपने नाम के आगे डॉक्टर लगाएंगे. शाहीन का 1 ईयर कोर्स फॉर नीट प्रिपरेशन स्टार्ट हो रहा है. 1 अक्टूबर से एडमिशंस ऑलरेडी स्टार्ट हो चुके हैं. 11th की क्लासेस नीट इंटीग्रेटेड प्रोग्राम के साथ स्टार्ट हो चुकी हैं. एडमिशंस बहुत तेजी से चल रहे हैं. हरी अप. विजिट आवर वेबसाइट www.shaheengroup.org. You can also call our toll free number 1800-121-6235. Thanks.